Okay, so this is a quick video on the hyperbolic paraboloid and the relevance the plane director has to the hyperbolic paraboloid. So as you can see here, I have my planes of reference, my vertical plane and my horizontal plane, my xy line, and there is a hyperbolic paraboloid floating on the horizontal plane. So this is a completed hyperbolic paraboloid. I have all the elements drawn in, and as you can see with the hyperbolic paraboloid, there would be two sets of skew lines. So if I just select these two lines here opposite each other, they're skew lines. So if you look from the front, they are not intersecting, they're not parallel, and the same from the top. Now they're close to being parallel, but they're not. And then the second set of skew lines, I'll deselect them, are these two lines here. Now, from looking from the front, they look like they are intersecting, but if you rotate this object around, you'll quickly see that they're not. So the plane director comes in when you see the two skew lines as parallel. So just select these two again. So I've got these two skew lines. Now, right now they're not parallel, but if you rotate this image around, there will be a time where they are parallel to each other. So from this angle here, them two lines appear to be parallel to each other, and this is where the plane director comes in. So I just show that. So that line there represents my plane director. So I have it as a surface here, and there it is there, parallel. So when you see them two skew lines as parallel, you get the edge view of the plane director, and so you can get the angle the plane director makes to the horizontal plane. And the thing about this is the two skew lines are parallel, but also the elements on coming from the other two skew lines also appear to be parallel, and all of the elements, the two skew lines and the plane director, are parallel to each other. And you could do the exact same thing with the other two skew lines. So we took them two and we rotate these two around until they are parallel. There would be another plane director on the other side, and this plane director would be parallel to these two skew lines and also all of these elements in the middle. So that is the relevance that the plane director, you can see the VTH, this surface here, the relevance that surface would have to the hyperbolic paraboloid and finding the elements of the hyperbolic paraboloid.